To fix frozen laptop mouse. If your laptop mouse not working properly and frozen hang, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on the start button and choose shutdown. Hard shut down your system through power button, and after restart check whether your laptop mouse working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Thereafter from the left side go to privacy and security, and from the right side choose Windows security, and here click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security window will appear. Here scroll down and click on scan options. Scroll down, you will find 4 options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan, Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. Here choose full scan and click on scan now. After that, restart your system and check whether your laptop mouse frozen solved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. From the device manager, here go to the mic and other pointing devices section, expand it, right click on your laptop mouse and choose update driver. Finally, choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process of your mouse driver, and your frozen laptop mouse will definitely be